So this is how to take apart a Optima 45 electric stapler from Swingline. This is if your stapler tray won't release. There's a release at the back that you're supposed to press, and it should release the tray out the front so you can refill the staples. If you have staples that get jammed inside the machine, you won't be able to release the tray and have to take it apart. Once operating correctly, you push the button at the back, which presses on this and releases the tray. So I've already got it apart, but I'll kind of go over how to do this in reverse. When the staples get jammed, this part here gets stuck in the down position, and that's what keeps the tray from being able to slide out. So to get access to that, there is a metal bracket that goes over the top to hold the motor. The motor has a plunger. Metal side of the plunger goes into the motor, and that goes on top. To get the sides off, the assembly is held in with rubber grommets that index into these plastic pins on the side. I had to break off, well, the slide here for the depth adjuster, I guess, is glued in. You probably have to break those off, pop them out, and glue them back in later. The bottom cover and the top cover both snap on with plastic retainer parts, and then there's screws in the left side, 3 along the top and 1 at the bottom. You also have to be careful of this indicator. The clips on the side will get stuck on the halves when you go take it apart. Hope it helps.